If you are a beginner and you are thinking, I don't know English, how can I speak English fluently and confidently? How can I become fluent in English? How much time does it take to improve my English, to become very fluent in English, so that I can speak English confidently and fluently? What I need to do in order to speak English effortlessly? My friends, there was a time when I was completely beginner. I didn't know how to speak English at all. I did not know how to form sentences, how to speak English. I did not know anything. What is grammar? What is verb? What is adverb? Pronoun? What is adjective? I did not know any of them. I did not know what is tense, what is simple past tense, simple present tense, simple future tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. I did not know any of them. Even I did not know how many tenses are there and what I need to do in order to improve my English. I was very pathetic at English when I began to start speaking English or start learning English. And today I want to give you three things that you can do today to improve your English and start speaking English. I am telling you from my experience. I have been there, done that. I have been learning English for the last 3 years, but I did not give up. I struggled a lot. I made many mistakes. I still make many mistakes while speaking, but I don't stop because I believed myself. I believed that one day or the other I will speak English confidently, effortlessly, without mistakes. And therefore, I am here today. So, what you have to do if you are a completely beginner? First of all, you should be interested in learning English. You should be passionate about learning English. If you are not interested or passionate about learning English, you will make excuses. You will make a lot of excuses that I don't have time to learn English. English is very difficult for me. English is difficult because you don't know English. That's why it is difficult for you. But once you started learning English, it will become easier for you day by day. You have to improve little by little every single day. Then it will become easier for you every single day. When I started learning English, I felt that learning English is not my cup of tea. I can't learn English at all. When I spoke in English, I hesitated, I fumbled, I made many mistakes. But those mistakes taught me how to speak English. And that is why I'm here creating videos for you guys. So the first thing that you need to do is to listen to English content. Imagine that you are a complete child. You don't know anything about language. You did not know your native language as well. So how you have to learn your native language? Do you have to learn grammar? Do you have to learn how to read books? Or what will you do at that point of time? Imagine that you are completely child, you don't know anything. In that point of time, you start listening to English content. You start listening to your parents. You start listening to your parents, your friend circles, your family members, your relatives. Then you start speaking brokenly. Let's say that मुझे पानी पीना है. You will not say directly मुझे पानी पीना है. You will say पानी पानी, glass पानी. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. You won't be able to say correct sentences because you don't know how to say correct sentences. Your mouth is not habituated in speaking. So you will start speaking brokenly at first. Similarly, when you start learning English, you will start speaking brokenly since we don't have an environment, since we don't have people around us who always speak English with us. So what we need to do is to listen to English content as much as possible. We have to keep listening. If you are working professional, you are working somewhere, you don't have much time to listen. You can't make separate time for listening. While working, you can listen to. You can listen to whatever you feel like. Now you must be asking, what should I listen? You can listen to whatever you are interested in. Let's say that you are interested in cooking, you are interested in playing cricket, you are interested in watching movies, you are interested in watching comedy shows. Whatever you are interested in, start watching those videos and pay attention to those videos. You don't have to listen only. While listening, you have to understand what is the meaning of this word, what is the meaning of this sentence, what is the video about, what I am going to learn from this video. After understanding the video completely, try to speak it in your own sentences. Even if you make mistakes, that's completely fine. You don't worry about your mistakes because you are a child right now, and childs tends to make mistakes. So make as many mistakes you can, and mistakes will teach you how to speak perfect English. Okay, and the second thing that you need to do is to read English books. Why I'm asking you to read English books? Because reading books can teach you how to form sentences. What is word? What is verb? Okay, what is subject, object, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, how to form sentences. You will see many phrases there. If you don't understand while reading books, what you can do is use ChatGPT, Google Translate to understand meaning of the word. Try to understand it at first. After understanding the word completely, make some sentences, write it down on your notebook, then revise it again and again. You have to make those vocabulary your active vocabulary. So when you have to speak, you will not look for words. You will speak continuously. You will not stop while speaking English. You will not hesitate. You will not fumble. You fumble, you hesitate because you look for words and you don't know how to say this sentence in English. Maybe I am wrong. Guys, so you have to write it down, practice it again and again, then it will automatically become your active vocabulary. The third thing that you need to do is to stay consistent while learning English. There are many English learners who are very interested when they start learning English, but after 1 or 2 months they lose their interest. they are not that much interested or motivated after 2 months. So guys, you have to stay consistent while learning English. Consistency is the key to success. You must have heard this line from a lot of people many times, right? So consistency plays a significant role in learning English. Not only learning English, it plays a significant role in everywhere. You want to become a driver, you want to become a chef, you want to become an engineer, you want to become a doctor, you want to become a teacher, whatever you want to become in your life, you need to be consistent in that journey. When you stay consistent and work towards your goal every single day, ultimately you will reach your destination. So these are the three things that can help you improve your English faster. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys.